que soy medio cerca.
I don't know where mine is. Hey, Mac.
What?
I need a stapler.
I got it.
So where is it?
It looks like it's at Stapler's Island.
Okay, SpongeBob, we'll get you that stapler. We'll be back in a couple days.
Say it ain't so. I thought that was the right
Me
place.
too. Wow, we're gonna have to keep looking.
What the heck was that?
I don't know, let's go check it out.
Okie dokie.
Oh crap, I'm scared of the dark. Let's get our flashlights out.
Dang it, I forgot mine. Ah, point the light over here.
Whoa, what was that?
What? I didn't see the chairs.
No, not that. I saw something.
Oh God.
Good, good. You found me. Too bad Bo's miles away with the stapler.
Wait, what, I was supposed to leave?
You don't say.
So, we're like, supposed to, I think, fight, right?
I think so.
Okay. I want a clean fight.
Here, do you want to catch?
I need a medic. We gotta go catch him.
I know, but I absolutely hate running.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
1,
3.
2, 3, 4. Oh, I think I saw him down there.
You can never get the stapler.
I got the stapler! Oh no! I got the stapler! Oh yes, SpongeBob can get his stapler. SpongeBob, I got you your stapler.
Thank you, Dr. Smith. Oh no, I need to remove my staple.